welcome to class. I shall discuss linear combination r to the power of n. Looking critically at this mathematical expression r to the power of n. Here r is it denotes the set of real numbers, while n is the raised figure. We call n the raised figure. N is the raised figure. At the same time, n is called the what? It is called the exponent. N is the raised figure. N is called the exponent. N is the exponent in this mathematical expression r to the power of n. Now, n is simply a value in the set of natural numbers. It's a specific value in the set of natural numbers. Why? We know natural numbers are counting numbers that starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can make my omission. It goes to infinity. This particular n in this mathematical expression can assume the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to infinity. Now, assuming n assume the value of 1. If n assumes the value of 1, what happens to this mathematical expression? Now, if n assumes the value of 1, this mathematical expression r to the power of n will imply that r now n is equals to 1, and it implies a real number. So when n is equals to 1, this mathematical expression becomes the set of real numbers. Now, what are real numbers? Real numbers are numbers that are on the number line. Real numbers are numbers that are on the number line. Real numbers are numbers on the real number line. And we must understand that real numbers fill a line. They fill a line, and let's assume this is a line. Let's call this line x2 prime, and let's call this part x prime prime. Now, real numbers assume or fill the line, and there exists a value in real numbers, a value in the line that divides the line into 2. Now, we have 0 divide the line, the number line, into 2, and we have the part that are the right side of 0 and left side of 0. These other parts are the right side, are the right of 0, and here this other side, you say they are the left side of 0. Sorry, right side of 0, right side to 0, and here is left side to 0. Now, at this particular line, I can label here to be 1 and label here to be 2, and it goes further. I can label here to be -1 and I can label here to be -2. Now, from 0 to this whole part is called non-negative real numbers. We are including 0 to this other side, to the right side of 0, is called non-negative real number. And when you include 0 to the left side of 0, including 0 to the left side is called non-positive real numbers. And if I exclude 0, maybe I'm going from this other side. If I exclude 0, this other part now, excluding 0, this other part will be called positive real numbers. And if I exclude 0 once more, this other side will be called negative real numbers. Hence, real numbers are numbers on the number line, and real number fills a line